Alright, we got the shirt. Welcome to today's video. My name is Agent 00 Sonic, and in 60 seconds we're going to draw Kirby from the Kirby series. If you don't know who Kirby is, he's the one that everyone picks in Smash Bros. Unless you don't, then I'll just... Alright, let's just get started. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Well, that was god-awful. Alrighty, here's Kirby, and well, I drew him like literally this big, so I try to put as much detail as I can, but peace, love, and hot sauce, and as always, thanks for watching. See, I almost did it, I almost didn't, but I didn't do it. Didn't do it. I went like this, different story.